turn you on.
Good.
So the question is negative 56 equals negative 7n. What is the value of 3n minus 1?
All right, what is this question asking you to find?
The value of 3n minus 1.
Do you know all the values in that expression?
No.
What value don't you know?
I don't know n.
Is there anywhere in the problem that you'd be able to find the value of n?
Oh, so I would have to first solve for n here. So this is 2 parts.
Yes, 2 parts.
Okay. So I'll draw my line down the equal sign. This is the left side, this is the right. And I need to solve for n, and I know that to solve for n, I have to isolate the variable.
What's happening to the value of n?
N is connected to negative 7.
So if I could put a symbol between negative 7 and n, what operation symbol would I put? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division?
Multiplication, because it's invisible, right?
Yes.
So
What's happening to n?
it's being multiplied by negative 7.
So why don't you make a see-do chart?
Okay. So I see multiplication times negative 7. So then I do, the inverse would be division, negative 7. And I can do that then on this side, divide by negative 7. And what I do on one side, I have to also do on the other. So negative 7 divided by negative 7 is a positive 1. So I can cancel that out to positive 1. And what's left is n.
What do you have to do next?
Well, I have the variable by itself, which is what I wanted on the right side. But on the left side, I now need to do negative 56 divided by negative 7.
What's a negative divided by a negative?
Well, I don't remember, but I do remember Sleepy Man. And I know that a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So my answer will be positive. And I know 56 divided by 7 is 8. So the value of n is 8.
Let's go back. What is this question asking you to find?
Oh, that's right. What the value of 3n minus 1 is. So can I plug in 8 to this expression?
Kind of. Is there another word you could use besides plug in?
Oh, substitute. So I can substitute this value of 8 in for the n in this expression. So when I substitute, I use parentheses, minus 1. So I know that the 3 in the parentheses with an 8 means I'm multiplying. So 3 times 8 is 24. I drop down the rest of this expression minus 1. 24 minus 1 is 23.
Could you restate your answer in context of the question?
Yes. So 3n, the value of 3n minus 1 equals 23 when the value of n is positive 8.
Great job.